What am I supposed to do with this?
I'm glad you asked.
Raindrops are falling on my head.
The red light is on.
Are you recording? Like,
That's
yeah.
the red light.
Yeah, you see the red light? Okay, I see the red light. Hi guys, I'm Ricky from One Board Puerto Rican.
I'm Paul from Drone Bum.
And we're gonna introduce you guys a new game called Drone Bowling. Okay, let's talk about some of the things you're gonna need to do drone bowling. First off, you're gonna need a micro drone.
$20 or less. You can get one pretty much anywhere. Of course, Amazon, where everybody goes, or Walmart if you need it right now.
Yeah, they're anywhere between $14 to $20. $14 on Amazon, $20 at Walmart. There's all kinds of breeds. That's all you really need. And $1 red cups. You can get these just about anywhere between $1 and $2. It don't cost much. The last thing you're gonna need is on your smart device. You can get a bowling calculator, scorekeeper, or whatever bowling scorekeeper thing you can find on your smart device. Other than that, you're ready to do drone bowling.
Let's go.
Let's do this. I think I'm gonna whoop his butt. I looking good, man. Look, man.
How do you do it, man?
This light, the lighting in here, it's just like looks sexy. Always sexy. Let's talk about some of the rules. Okay, first off, you have to have the drones in your hand, and you're gonna literally toss the drone towards the table or toward the direction of your cup, and try to maintain control of it while it's in air and fly forward. Not going backwards, not stopping. Forward, continue to fly forward towards the cups and smash into it. Then after that, you keep the score with your score calculator. Does that make any sense to you?
That's fine by me, but just so you know, I've never done that.
Neither have I. So we're both gonna be going in for something. Tells me we're gonna do a lot of gutter balls. So as long as you're flying towards it and not pulling away, we're good.
So you toss the drone
Yes.
into the cups.
That's as far as you oh, I see where you're going. No, we're flying the drone, not throwing the drone into the cups. All right, you got that?
I'll try.
Challenge?
Challenge.
Challenge
Accepted.
Boom. he flipped it straight into the ceiling.
It went into the other lane.
Oh, wow.
Sorry, guys over there. I didn't mean to do that.
Okay. And he can't even. Where's he going?
Put the other hand.
Where's it going? Where's it going? So Drone Bum got a big fat 0 on his first go around.
I did. I admit it. But you gotta bowl 0 if you want to be a hero.
Oh, all right, my turn. Let's see what he's up against. First ball. Here I go. I went backwards. Why didn't it go forward?
I don't know, man.
That's cheated like a mother. I cheated so bad.
0, 0, 0.
0. That's the first one.
All right.
Here it goes.
All right. You got. Oh,
that was going forward. Oh, it's a 0. It was going. This lamp messed it up. It was coming straight forward. Did you see that?
I sure did.
Dang.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now we'll show you how it's done. Again, I did it.
You do way too. You do way too hard. Get it. Oh man, almost.
Hold on. We are rolling. This is a lot harder than you think, ladies and gentlemen.
This is so hard. Let's try it. Here we go. But I skimmed it. I skimmed the cup. I didn't get it the right kid on
That's
it.
not a point, man. The pen can wobble, but it's got to go down.
Dang it.
But
You loosened it up for your next shot.
Yeah, I did. Let's see what I got.
Oh man!
Dang! Oh my gosh! I thought I had it. So at this point, we just trying to hit the dang on cup.
I gotta admit, I was worried for a second there. Just for a second.
It was going straight for it. Man!
Alright, cool, man.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Here we go.
Let's put the front to the front. There we go. Once I hit the table, I think I was.
Just fly it. Right now, we're giving. You can even take it off if you want to stabilize it right now.
Okay. Here goes nothing.
Oh! Oh!
Whoa, no!
Oh! Oh!
Congratulations.
Oh! First knockdown. Yes, yes.
Oh man, so we got 4 on that one. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like 5.
I got 5.
I was never good at math, man.
I'm in the lead so far.
In case you don't know.
1, 2, 3.
What doesn't
4,
count?
5. There's 6 left. I only hit 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, there was 5. What?
Yeah, these.
What didn't count?
This one. There's 6 left on the table.
These 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, duh. I told you I hate math.
Pressure's on.
Pressure is on. Here we go.
Alright.
Let's go.
I'm good on the pressure, baby.
Let's go. Get it, get it, get it. He can't control.
Under the table.
God, dog. So we're learning that it's really easy to do a gutter ball.
I'm getting pretty good at it.
He is a pro at missing it. I knocked down one time, and I was surprised that I did it.
Yeah, it was a good shot, man. You got a lot more control over this, I guess, than me. Again, you have been flying one since when? Christmas?
Yeah, since Christmas, I guess. Well, years with micro drones, though. Like, I had it for like 4 years with micro drones.
Oh.
So I got a little bit of advantage.
Right.
Just a little bit.
My first ever micro drone. I'm used to the Phantom, and I'll bet you I can do good with the Phantom on this.
Oh, drone bowling with a Phantom.
Next.
Next time.
Next episode.
Really big cups. Really big cups.
Stay
Soft
tuned.
cups, because I'm not going to break.
Yeah.
So, we're going to keep going. Let's see what we got.
All right. Yes, indeed. Action. Ladies and gentlemen. And holy moly, look at that. We got ourselves another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins left. 6
Yes. Yes.
So 4 and 4. You got 8 to score, my ladies and gentlemen. 8 to 0.
8 to 0.
8 to 0. 8.
All right, here we go. Here we go now.
What the hell?
What is going on? Head back in the
That's a ring light.
Oh, you guys
That's a
still
ring
recording?
light. And that's a ring.
Yep, almost
Filming here. And that's a drone bomb. And that's a drone bomb. And that's a I'm gonna go ahead and go to the bathroom real quick. You go ahead and do your round, but I'm gonna go ahead and go to the bathroom.
Jiggle the handle when you're done. All right. All right.
I did it!
Ricky, I'm proud and honored to award you the first ever drone bowling trophy championship, 24 karat solid gold, whatever this is.
Oh my God, this is so amazing. Like this, I not only want to thank God, but I want to thank Jesus as well, and the Holy Spirit, and I want to thank my mama, and not only my mama, but my mother too, and everybody who's involved, because I am a drone bowling pro.
I gotta tell you, Rick, that was a lot tougher than I thought. That was a pretty grueling competition, man.
Yeah, it was kind of hard to control it after you tossed it, but after a while you were able to guide it really in there.
Yeah.
But it was definitely hard.
I need a lot more practice.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I can see that. I was able.
I'll admit it, man.
Yeah, well, I was lucky enough to get a couple of strikes, and then I got some good smash in there, and I think he got one strike, lucky bastard.
Yeah, if I could have used my own ball and shoes, I would have been a lot better, man.
Yeah, I mean, so, but it's almost easier to just throw the drone into the cups.
What are you saying, man?
I'm not saying a thing. So anyway, if you enjoyed my video and you was wanting to know what kind of drones we were using for drone bowling, it was the Propel CX, the Propel X01.
Right.
We tried the air. This was garbage. Don't use that one. Don't buy it. If you was interested in the tech part of this, look up Mr. Drone Bum here.
Yeah, I'll tell you about it. We'll do a little review, and if you're interested in creative, fun videos, definitely check out my buddy Rick from One Board Puerto Rican.
Okay, we're gonna put the link in the description down below again, and make sure to subscribe to both of our channels. I'm Ricky from One Board Puerto Rican,
And Paul from Drone Bum.
you guys, you're the best.
Peace out, bro.
Peace out. Peace out.
Yo.